Okie dokie, my super scientist. It's time to start our journal work. Remember, today we're going to be drawing 3 objects in the sky. You can see those 3 right here on your screen. It's time to draw, label, and color them in your journals. I hope you've got your 3 materials ready. Journal, pencil, crayons. Check, check, check. Let's get started. Open up to a new clean page. Here's one I can use, and we're starting with today's date. Today is January, give me a number 1. 21st, 2-1 dash. And the year, don't forget it's a new one, 2021. Do you have the date ready? 1/21/2021? Hooray! Now, how many objects in the sky are we drawing today? A 1, a 2, a 3. Count them in Spanish. 1, 2, 3. We need to organize our journal to have 1, 2, 3 cuadrados. I'm going to use this top line to create my first box. Use your pencil and also draw a dark, thick line to separate one box to the bottom box. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. So I'm going to go down about 3 and draw my next line. You will need to use your pencil and separate your journal with 2 big lines. So now you have 3 squares. 1, 2, 3. Ready, Freddy, Freddies? Let's start labels. In our first top box, read this S word with me. Sun. Nice job. Sun. The sun is the star that Earth moves around, and that gives energy to Earth. It's a star, a big giant star. In our top box, everybody start the label. Check your word. Sun. Sun. Now look at that hot, fiery ball of gas. What shape is it? Circle. Start your circle shape. You can see there's fire exploding out of this sun. And don't forget your crayons. You're going to want some hot, hot colors. Get your red, rojo, yellow, amarillo, orange, anaranjado. And show me some of those fiery details. Everyone's sun will look a little different, but I hope your sun looks hot, 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 Tamale. Use those colors. Show me some details. Make it look nice. All colorful. I'll come back later and finish adding a little more color so it doesn't look so scribbly. But let's keep going to another object in the sky. After the sun, now we have the read it with me, moon. One more time. This is called the moon. Beautiful. Moon. Let's go to our next box. Here we have lines. So I'm going to write on the lines. Ooh. Moon. Check your word. Moon. Nice work. Now check out that moon picture. The moon is an object that orbits the Earth and appears as a pale disk in the night sky. In your illustration, you need a disk or a circle for the moon. If you want to add the detail that it is orbiting or going around the Earth, you can show the Earth as well, but maybe point to the moon to make sure you know this is the moon. And we are also showing the moon in the night sky. So check out that dark black night sky. I'm going to start with my circle. And I'm going to add those details of the craters, the circle craters. When it's time to color, I'm going to outline with the black. I don't have a gray, but I can do a little shading. And it's a dark night sky. If you want to use black or if you want to use blue, he's out at night. And if you'd like to add the detail of orbiting the Earth, but make sure you point to this moon. So far we have two objects. Read them with me. Sun and moon. Ready for the last one? We are headed down to the beautiful stars. Say that word with me. Stars. Excellent. Stars are objects in the sky that make their own light. They're twinkling. They're emitting light on their own. And can be seen at, what do you think, day or night? Nighttime. Excellent. Just like the moon, the stars are out at night. Let's start with our label on the line. Stars. Check your word. Stars. Are you going to draw just 1, 2, 3, 5, 15? How many stars will you draw? And look at the details in the photo. They don't have to be perfect little triangle pointy stars. Sometimes they look just like twinkly little bulbs of light. So take your time and show me lots of stars in your sky. Mine are going to kind of be circles, but they don't have to be perfect circles. It's important to show it's nighttime. It is dark outside when the stars are twinkling. And you can outline them if you want to make sure we can see those stars. I'm going to go back and add a little more color to make my journal look beautiful and more detailed and more finished. But you need to check yourself. Make sure you have 3 labels. Read them with me. Sun, moon, stars. You have 3 colorful pictures. A round hot sun, a round cratery moon, and lots of twinkly bright stars. Did you show me color details? Dark sky and the stars, dark sky and the moon, bright light and the sun. Do you have the date? If your journal looks complete and you can check all those things off, you are ready to take your picture for Google Classroom and upload to your teacher. Thanks for working hard with me today, scientists. I will see you tomorrow for more fun objects in the sky. Bye-bye.